Ayla, you don't want cheeseburger for lunch?
I want your lovely milk.
You want the milk bread, yeah.
Mama,
Yes.
can I have some milk bread for my princess? No.
Yep.
But I do it.
Hello, I put 2, but they're mini, okay?
Let me see.
So you have to finish here.
Can I see closer?
Yeah, come here.
Mommy.
Or I can, see? Very cute. Very, very cute. And very yummy.
Is it a cheeseburger?
Cheeseburger, yeah. See? See the cheese? It's melting. Yum.
Oh, yeah. I see the Mom, can I put that on?
Yeah, you can put it on. Yeah. Very good job, boys.
I squeeze the whole that.
Yeah. Well done.
Done.
Done. Yeah, that's kuyas.
And that's one.
Yeah? Kuyas, yes.
And the other.
Yum, yeah. Mwah, mwah.
And the other taste.
Mwah, mwah,
Mommy, taste.
mwah. Yeah.
Mommy, let me have a taste.
Yeah.
But it's both fake taste. Oh.
Fake tasting, yes.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Well done.
Well done. All right, your clothes? All right, wait.
Say hi, guys. Today, Mommy's opening the books for me because at the end of the year for my school, you're making a card. So that's my mom's opening.
Okay. Do you want to join?
Okay. Here,
I want to
join. Oh, there's only
You
one.
can join. All right, you can keep the box.
Hey. Mom, can I open this? What? Thank you. Guys, it's up to me. If I can open it. Up to you. It's up to me. No, it's up to me. Up to you. Up to you. Up to me. How do we use to cut it? Wait, dang it. Mom, this is locked.
Oh yeah, it's supposed to be locked. You can't open it.
But how do you do it?
Hmm? You're not using this. This is not for kids.
But
You want the
Mom,
box?
we need to open that. Let's go. Told you, Mommy needed it.
Yeah, but it's not for kids, so you know you can't use that. Yeah, there.
Mom, I want all of it. Yes, yes. Mom! Cool! Yes! Yeah, that. Oh yeah, we can pop it. D, you can pop yours. Like, pop, pop. This is mine. Mine has no sticky tape on it. So that means mine is the best. No, mine is the best. Look at Yeti, who can pop the most. Who stops? Wait, 3, 2, 1. I'm just popping everything. God, I go win. Guys, comment for Isla one or comment for Isla one. You don't know my name? Isla, I mean. Oh yeah, Mommy, that dial now. Guys, I think I'm winning. No. Wait, so there's a really big spot over there. I think you lost. No. Oh, here. Press is 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm winning. Guys, comment down who won. Hi guys. So today there's my tricky words.
Well done.
So, forgot the middle one.
Hindi.
Right.
Yucky nose, blow. Good job.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Can't. C. That's C-I-N-T. Can't.
Yeah. You want a high pony, eh?
Don't is D-R-N-T. Don't. Shouldn't is, oh my god, S-H-R-U-L-D. What's it? D. So there's only one D. And then T. Shouldn't. Couldn't is C-R-U-L-D-N-T. Wouldn't is W-R-U-L-D-N-T. Already right. Let me show you how to write. Mom, I need a pencil for this.
Oh, do you want to use your ribbon?
Ah, yeah?
Yeah? Oh, it's here anyway.
Oh my god, it has a sticker on it. So cute. I don't have that. Thank you. Okay. Okay. I guess that's okay.
Okay.
That's one for your lipstick.
Just high pony, not a bun? Oh, high pony and then I'll do the ribbon. Yeah.
Mama?
Yes, baby?
Me?
Yeah, Yakult? Yeah, see it. Oh, mate! You're so good at putting socks on! Well done, Kuya!
Can I just show them the color?
I know you can do it. What are you gonna wear? Change clothes na siya, guys. Kakaalis lang ni ate at ni kuya. And tingnan nyo to. Tinry kong gawin siya kagabi. Hindi ko nagawa kasi dinumog ako ng aking mga kids. So sabi ko, that's okay. That can wait. Punta siya sa mirror. Yeah, anyway. Ito galing sa baba. Kakaakyat ko lang nito kasi hapon yung ating laundry. So kakadry lang nito. Hinang ko lang tong mga to eh. Yan pa lang yung nagawa ko. But we will do it today. Kahit nandito si B.
Go!
Dito na lang tayo maghanap ng clothes. Yay! Do you wanna wear a skirt again today? No skirt? Okay. What are you gonna wear? Oh, look at all the skirts! Wow, so many skirts! You lucky girl! Oh, what's your sticky? Sticky. Do you know wear this one? Cutie pie. And then leggings. Huh? Skirt, yes, skirt. Okay. What skirt? What color skirt? Red? Red. Okay. Alright, come on. Let's go. Come here. Come here. Let's go. Let's go. Here you go. Sticker. Is a frog? A frog? Red skirt? This one? Okay, good choice. I love this one. This is so nice. Yay! 1, 2. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. What? You want leggings? And 3. Good. So pretty. Hmm? Mommy clothes. Can mommy do laundry first and then clothes? Okay. Hello, it is now 9:54 ng umaga. Nakapagbihis na ako, nakapagtupi, nakapag-put away ng mga damit. Napatulog ko na din si Indy. So now, we can start doing some work. Meron lang akong kailangan i-edit. Property ni Daddy, saglit lang. Asa na yun? Kawawa si Indy, guys. May sipunan naman. So, her nose are blocked and hindi siya nakakatulog ng ayos. Kagabi, she kept waking up So, I knew today she needs more sleep. Kaya, after naming magtupi, magputaway ng mga tinupi, pinatulog ko. And yun, tulog. Ang aga-aga tulog. Alright. My tummy is growling. Kain kaya ako milk bread. Lagyan ko lang to ng salt. Salt. Wait. Kain tayo milk bread. Nagbaon si Ayla nito, guys. Gustong gusto niya. Second day milk bread. Ito yung binake natin kahapon. Still very soft. Yum. Oh my gosh, naririnig ko si Indy. Muubo. Where am I putting the salt? In fairness, the milk bread, ang sarap. Okay na ba yan, guys? Oh, my baby D, she's coughing. That looks good. That looks good. While we're here, check natin yung visa ni Mama. Tayo na talagang ma-apply na naman ang visa ni Mama. Try natin to ulit, guys. Puntahin natin si Mama dito. Well, idea talaga to ni Miss. So, and because ako na nag-asikaso ng mga previous visas niya, sabi ko, doon na lang sa same account niya. Siyempre, di ba? Kasi yun na yung my record ng previous approvals niya. Pero tinulungan ako ni Miss nito. Siya yung go through sa forms. Kasi kinapi ko lang yung visa niya last time which I didn't know is possible. Pwede mo lang palang i-copy. So sa mga may experience dyan ng paggawa ng visa, I know it's really long yung pag-fill out ng details. Like, yung kay Mama ata, 20 pages ng pag-fill out ng details. You can just copy that, guys. So if you go to the IMI account, kung you are applying online, like what I did for Mama, merong option dun na i-copy mo lang yung old visa and then lalabas na lahat ng fill out mo sa last visa, which is very convenient, diba? Especially if you're using the same passport, you live in the same address, so nandun na lahat ng information. So kinapi ko lang yung old visa niya and then double check ni Miss lahat. Inadd ko si Indy sa family kasi my family members dun sino i-visit mo, list the family members. Wala pa kasi si Indy, so inadd ko si Indy dun. So you still have to check every single page just to make sure na everything's accurate. But yeah, yesterday lang namin to inasikaso ni Miss, or the other night. Tapos yesterday nag-attach ako ng mga documents. Buti na lang yung mga documents ni Mama nasa akin pa din. Sinave ko pa siya. And it is ready to submit now. So pwede ko na siyang i-submit. Actually, kahapon ready na siya i-submit. I was just double checking, triple checking everything just to make sure na yun nga, we got everything right. But yeah, pwede na itong i-submit. Ito na yung pang-apat na apply ko kay Mama. So the previous 3 visas were approved. So I'm confident na ma-approve to. Kasi, bakit naman nila i-deny, di ba? Bakit nila i-decline? But, yeah, everything is very easy. Kung naka-apply na kayo last time sa IMI account, pwede mo lang i-copy pala yung visa. Kasi last time, hindi ako nag-copy, guys. As in, isa-isa ko talaga. Pero what I did was, last time nung hindi pa ako aware sa ganito, dinownload ko lang yung kanyang previous na form, tapos doon ko binabase. But yeah, I'm still like copy-pasting. But this one, siya na nag-copy ng kanya. And yung gagawin mo is i-review mo na lang. So as in, sobrang nakasave talaga ng time. Pwede ko na siya i-submit. Submit ko na siya ngayon. While waiting for Daddy's response. Oh, naririnig niyo ba yung ubo ni Dee? Hindi pa nagre-reply si Daddy kung okay na yung inedit ko. But yeah, after mo i-fill out yung forms, attach yung documents, pwede mo na siyang i-submit. Like ito, isa-submit ko na to. Yeah, submit now. I'm submitting it right now, guys. Ako na talaga. And then make payment. Bayad ka lang. So tourist visa is 250 Australian dollars. Where's our money? Bayaran na natin to. That's done. We paid $253.50. Magba-biometrics na yun si mama. So, yung biometrics din, ano mo lang online, book mo lang online. And merong biometrics sa Cebu. So, hindi na namin kailangan pumunta ng ibang lugar. Kasi, wala sa ibang lugar eh. Kailangan pa nilang dumayo ng Cebu or sa iba. So, magpa-schedule ka lang. As in, lahat online lang talaga yung scheduling. Yeah, so sa biometrics, merong 3, Cebu, Davao, and Manila. So, schedule ko yun mamaya kapag meron na tayong reply kung kailan sila pwedeng makapunta doon. But, that's all done. And my Indy is awake. O, diba? At least napatapos niya tayo. Oh my gosh, my baby D. She's coughing. Wait, saan? Send ko lang to kay daddy. Oh, I can change if needed. Bye! Hi, guys. I'm sick, guys. A little bit sick. Tingnan yung cheeks niya. Ang cute. Red. Eat. Mommy, feed. Here. Here, Indy. Yummy. Adobo. Mainit pa, B. Wait, sa yung chicken. Yum. Yummy. Hi. Are you ready? Where are we going? Walk? We will go for a walk though, guys. Diyan lang naman sa labas, saglit lang. Oh yeah, turn off TV. We're going for a walk. Good job. Walking ko lang tong aking Inday. Oh no, nose. Dito lang kami sa paligid-ligid mag-walking. Where's my bag? Where's mommy's bag? Niready ko na yun kanina. Wipe nose, come here. Nakahat din yan siya. Oh, wow! Kay Ate Ayla yan. Yung isang maliit niyang hat, nasa car ko pa eh. Where's mommy's bag? Uy! You okay? Where is Indy? Where is Indy? Pika. Uy! Nabangga ka, day. You okay? Yeah. Guys, bahay na kami. Kanina pa kami bahay ni Indy. Inamnam ko lang yung aming walking. And then, bahay na din si Daddy. Kasama yung mga bata. Sabi ko, bili ka strawberries kasi ubos na yung aming prutas for tomorrow's lunch. So, we got that. And then, ito yung mga pinagpipili pala ni Daddy ng mga mga meals from MasterChef. So, yung mga pinipili niya is yung mga high protein. So, ito, crumbed chicken. Chicken fettuccine carbonara. So, ito yung mga gusto niya. Kasi marami eh. And, butter chicken, satay chicken, creamy beef, tortellini. Hindi ko pa ito na-try, pero sabi niya masarap daw. Kasi ito din yung kinakain ng ano niya eh. Ng asawa ng kambal niya. Si Tristan. Si Tristan actually yung nag-recommend nito sa kanya. Yeah.
Mama, what that?
Yeah. What's that? What animal is it?
Go.
What is that? It's a cow. What sound does it make?
Go. Open.
Open. Can I open it for you?
Ate.
Ate, she wants your help. Ask ate. Bumili na din siya nitong mga to. Meron pa naman kaming yogurt dyan, pero we got more yogurts. Pero basta, yung lagi niyang pinipili high protein. Pero meron pang iba-ibang klase. Like siguro mga low calorie meron din. Depende. Pero, yeah, sabi niya, masarap daw. Alright, now let's check the kids' lunch. Ah, beautiful. That's Ayla's. Yan yung kanyang brain food. So, prutas yung nandyan kanina. Ubos na ubos. Meron pang prutas na tira dito. May prutas na tira and then konting bread. Twiggy stick. Ayla! So, pinapaubos ko sa kanila yan. So, Arlo's. Tingnan mo si Arlo. Watermelon and apples. Ay, nako, si Arlo. Arlo! Let's prepare dinner. It's only 4:21. Pero magluluto ako lulutuin ko yung salmon na may gata, na may bok choy, na may itong paksiw. Paksiw na salmon na may gata. Nasaan yung gata ko? So, naglabas ako ng 3. Ito yung frozen na salmon na binili ni Dan. 3. Tapos ito, tama na to. Kids will eat this as well.
Mommy.
Masarap to. Do you wanna go outside?
Yeah, I want to go on that path. Okay, only eat one of this.
Okay, eat that one. And then that's it.
One of this one.
Yep. Ito. Hindi kinain yung lunch niya.
Mom, I didn't have to go downstairs.
Yeah, you can play outside after you eat.
Okay.
Okay?
Andy outside.
Huh?
Andy outside.
Indy's outside, yeah.
Yeah. I'll open the door for Andy, Mom.
Mhm.
Can I open the door?
Open the door for Indy. You can open the door.
Andy.
You can't play yet. You have to eat.
Give me the hand.
Yep. Yung si Arlo.
Hey, Cindy.
Ubusin ko ba ito lahat? Yep. Ubusin ko na lang to. Ito din yung ulam ko bukas.
Hey, Cindy. Hey, Cindy. Hey, Cindy.
You could be playing right now if you only finish your lunch. Kawawa ka tuloy. It's okay, you're almost done. Just finish that and then you can play outside. Close, yeah?
Yeah.
Ah, good job.
I'll play.
Ah, open.
Mama, the last final one.
Last one, okay. Open, open. Thank you. And then close. All done? Open. Open, shut. Open, open, come on. Oh, thank you, Indy. Open.
Andy, you're a cooker.
She's a cooker. All done, Alo?
Yeah.
Well done, Kuya.
Here you go.
There you go.
I get it. I get two buckets now. So, Mom.
Yes?
Oh.
Indy dropped one. Can I have it? Ano pa ba? Sili. I'll add sili.
Now can I help?
Ay, sarap nito. Ilang sili ba ilalagay natin? Yeah, sige, go get yogurt. You okay, Di? Hug? Hug? Have you? Maybe. One, two. Yogurt?
Yes, I'll do. Will you, Mom? Yo. So that.
Yogurt too? You want yogurt? Alright guys, so here we will put salt, pepper, You ready? And then, sugar. Lagay tayong extra virgin olive oil. Maglalagay din akong chicken powder. And this. Ilan ba nito? Wait. Measure lang natin. Gusto ko lang same amount yung water at saka yung tubig. Yung water at saka yung tubig. Water at saka vinegar. Galing din. Water at saka tubig. Yan. And then water. Same amount water at saka vinegar. Ayan. Isa lang ko na to. Yung bok choy natin ready na yan. But that's for later. That's it. Now let's put all these away. Luto na to guys. Pero ngayon ko palang ilalagay to. And then, mga ilang minutes na lang, okay na yan. Guys, it is 6:03. Tapos na kami kumain ng mga bata. Ako yung maghuhugas ng plato kasi si Dan busy. Siya na talaga ang nakalimutan na mayroon pala kaming nakabook na hard rubbish collection tomorrow. So, hard rubbish is yung mga malalaking gusto mo nang itapon kasi hindi magkasya sa binyo. So, merong hard rubbish collection. I think you get parang 1 per financial year ata. Kailangan kasi naming itapon na yung slide. Yun yung pinakamalaki. Yung slide na ginagamit ng mga bata. Kasi ano na siya guys, hindi na siya okay. Dahil sa sun exposure, ano na siya, nagbabakbak. Tapos may mga parts na siya na natanggal na. So kailangan na siyang itapon. Tapos yung ibang bikes ng kids na sira na. Yun, pang hard rubbish collection. So, Dan's taking care of that. Kumain na kami ng mga bata. And I'm gonna do the dishes kasi nga wala si Daddy busy. Uy, don't touch that. Alright, watch TV ka. You stay, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Baby.
Ay, nako, hindi. Kudu, I love you. Alright, stay still. Yeah, I just need to do this. Stay still, ay. Hindi, ay. So, matagal na yun namin pinabook and nakalimutan na namin. Kasi nayaan ko lang kasi si Dan. Hindi ako nagpa-alarm for myself. Hindi ako nag-remind sa self ko. Kasi sabi ko si Dan na bahala. Nakalimutan niya. Buti na lang naalala niya ngayon. Pero wala, nagabi na niya naalala.